5 Ks of investing. Kicker pattern, Keltner channels, knock-in option, Kaizen, key performance indicators. Kicker pattern is a type of candlestick pattern that predicts a change in the direction of an asset's price trend. This pattern is characterized by a sharp reversal in price over the span of 2 candlesticks. Keltner channels are volatility-based bands that are placed on either side of an asset's price and can aid in determining the direction of a trend. The exponential moving average, EMA, of a Keltner channel is typically 20 periods, although this can be adjusted if desired. Knock-in option is a type of barrier option which is triggered only after the underlying asset's price reaches a certain specified barrier. Kaizen is a Japanese business philosophy that focuses on gradually improving productivity and making a work environment more efficient. Key performance indicators, KPIs, measure a company's success versus a set of targets, objectives, or industry peers. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Stocks 5150, stocks are crazy.